Hello friends, very welcome to Silk Zone again. Today here I am here with a very beautiful collections of Ghicha sarees. You can see the beautiful Ghicha sarees which is a natural color with the Madhubani print. Let me tell you, all the sarees which I am going to show you here are available in our website. You can directly log on to www.silkzone.in and you can have our entire collection over there. Let me tell you one more thing friends, these sarees are available in the offer price. The cost of this saree is 5,500 rupees, but if you are going to purchase this sarees on the occasion of Diwali, means I am going to give you a very awesome offer. You are going to get this sarees in just 5,500 is the price. You can get 10% discount from here by using the code happy10. This code is available only for the 3 days. The sarees are available in our website also. You can directly go there and you can purchase this sarees. We can see the Madhubani print is there in all over the pallu. Bird design is there, floral design, leafy design, branches design are there in all over the pallu, and the whole body is going to be like this. And at the end of the saree you are going to get this kinds of Madhubani print in all entire saree in the downside. And over the sarees also you are getting this kinds of floral, small floral design in all over the sarees as well. And you can see this is a natural ghicha saree, natural tasar ghicha is there. You can see the natural beautiness and the naturality of these sarees. These sarees are available in our website and as well as in the stock. You can directly, now only you can purchase this and you can get these sarees from us. Let me show you the another one, which is a plain grey color saree which is having a fish kind design in all over the saree. You can see the pallu, the beautiful pallu is here with a beautiful Madhubani print all over the pallu. Very beautiful fish design is there, you can see, and even the peacock design is there in all over the pallu. And this is going to be the plain blouse pieces of the saree. And let me tell you, you are going to get this kinds of design in both side of the saree. This design is there in the both up and down side of the saree, the pure ghicha sarees with the beautiful designs. Very awesome and very beautiful sarees. Let me show you the another one. The cost of the each this sarees was also 5,500. This is also 5,500 saree. You can get this sarees on the occasion of Diwali. As I am telling you, you can use 10% discount by using the code happy10, HAPPY and 1010. This, let me show you the another very beautiful saree. This is the whole pallu. Pallu is in fish and Madhubani print design is there. You can see the beautiful pallu. And let me show you the body of the saree. Very beautiful body is there. You can see the downside Madhubani print. The cost of the saree is 5,500 rupees. A pure ghicha saree is there. You can see the quality and naturality of the saree, pure naturalities, and even you can get silk mark tag with each and every saree. And I am telling you, this is the blouse piece of the saree with the border floral design and the downside. Let me show you the another one. It is Ghicha Kosa saree. The cost of this saree is 6,500 rupees with a Madhubani print. Tasar Kosa sarees are this. Very lightweighted saree, skin friendly saree, Madhubani print. You can see this print. I am showing you this print. Madhubani print, very beautiful Madhubani print is there. Pallu, very beautiful pallu is here. 6,500 rupees and I am telling you friends, comparing to market price, this is very less price because you are directly purchasing from a manufacturer. And this glass flower washes designs are there in all over the saree, and this border design is there in the upside as well as in the downside of the saree. Very lightweight this saree is. Once you are going to wear this, you feel very comfortable and very lightweight. 6,500 rupees, and on the occasion of Diwali you can get 10% discount from here by using the code happy10. As I told you, this is only valid for the 3 days. Just don't lose the chance, just grab the offer. Let me show you one natural sarees without print, nothing is there. Simple plain ghicha saree is there with golden zari border and golden zari design in the pallu as well. These sarees are available in our stock right now. You can place order and you can get these sarees as soon as possible from us. The cost of this plain saree is just 3,500 rupees, because it is totally natural. It is not a dyed, not is printed, nothing is done over here. So we are giving in this sarees at just 3,500 rupees. All the sarees which I show you now available in our stock. You can take the screenshot and you can place the order for the sarees. The number is on in the screen. And let me show you one more thing from this kind. Let me show you a dress piece of the saree. We are having one dress piece also for this kinds of Madhubani print. This is the dress of the saree. This is the front design I am showing you here. This is the whole body, its front design. In the back it is plain design is there, and for the sleeves design is here, you can see. And even we are having dupatta for this. It is also ghicha dress material. We are not giving the bottom for this dress materials, because the fabric is not suitable for the bottom. If you want the matching bottom also, we can give to our customers. The Madhubani print, you can see this Madhubani design is there in the dupatta. Friend, this all dress material and the sarees which I showed you are available in the stock. You can take the screenshot and place order to our WhatsApp. You can DM over there, or you can directly purchase from our website as well. Thank you so much for watching my video, and for any kinds of queries you can directly call us also. Thank you so much friends for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video, as well as to them who are in the need of looking for these kinds of pure sarees, pure dresses with the silk mark tag. Don't forget to press on the bell icon, so as soon as I'll post the latest video, you can see our latest collection from the Silk Zone. Thank you so much friends. Bye bye. Have a good day.